Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. One time, while passing by a familiar road, I suddenly stopped in front of a plant that someone had left by the roadside. No beautiful pot, no longer neatly placed inside a home. Just a silent plant, covered in dust, lying next to a trash bin as if it had been completely forgotten. At a glance, anyone would think it had no value left, but for some reason, I felt it was a pity and decided to bring it home. And from that moment, a revival journey began, a special one. Stay until the end of the video to see the surprising transformation after the plant was cared for again. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any plant care tips on the Great Garden channel. After bringing the plant home, the first thing I did was trim away all the old, weak, and dried roots and leaves. These parts can no longer recover and may even harbor fungi, affecting the entire plant. Next, rinse the plant under clean running water. This helps remove dirt, old soil, and impurities stuck on the roots and plant surface. At the same time, clean water also helps wash away some fungi and harmful bacteria. In addition, gently rinsing also helps evenly moisten the root system, allowing the roots to soften and wake up after being dry or damaged. Next, place the plant in a dry, well-ventilated area and avoid direct sunlight. This step allows the plant to rest after treatment, letting cuts on roots and leaves dry naturally, reducing the risk of fungal or bacterial infection. During the waiting time, I prepare a solution that both provides nutrients and helps disinfect the plant. The first ingredient I use is onion. Do you have onions at home? Onion contains natural compounds with mild antibacterial properties, along with some micronutrients that help the plant recover better after damage. Here, I only use the onion peel. First, remove the dry outer layer, choosing clean, mold-free parts to ensure the solution is safe for the plant. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Next, use scissors to cut the onion peel into small pieces into a clean glass cup, as shown in the video. Cutting into smaller pieces increases the contact surface with water, helping the active compounds in the onion peel extract faster and more effectively, making the solution more effective for the plant. Then, add about 500 milliliters of hot water to help extract the active compounds more quickly and efficiently into the solution. Use a spoon to stir well so the nutrients dissolve and distribute evenly in the water. Stirring thoroughly helps the solution become uniform, improves extraction efficiency, and helps the plant absorb nutrients better. Finally, cover and let the solution steep for 1 hour. At the same time, I also use coffee for additional support. Coffee contains small amounts of nutrients such as nitrogen, 1 to 2%, potassium, 0.2 to 0.5%, and a little phosphorus. Although the amounts are not high, in natural organic form, they help improve the growing medium and support stable root development. Prepare a clean glass cup. Add 1 spoon of coffee. Then add about 500 milliliters of hot water to dissolve it, helping nutrients extract quickly and become easier for the plant to use. Use a spoon to stir well, so the coffee dissolves completely and does not settle at the bottom. Stirring helps distribute nutrients evenly. Finally, cover and steep the coffee solution together with the onion solution. After about 1 hour, when the solution has completely cooled, I filter out the residue. First, use a strainer to remove onion pulp. Filtering helps keep the solution clean, reduces sediments, and prevents clogging or negative effects on roots and leaves. At the same time, I also filter out the coffee residue. You should filter thoroughly to remove fine particles to avoid affecting later use. At this step, I combine both the coffee and onion solutions during filtering, allowing them to blend evenly into a cleaner and more stable mixture. Add 500 milliliters of clean water at room temperature to dilute the solution. Now it's complete. We have a solution for disinfecting, providing nutrients, and stimulating root growth. First, pour the coffee and onion solution into a cup as shown. Next, soak the entire Anthurium plant in the prepared solution for 15 minutes, ensuring the roots are fully submerged. This soaking allows active compounds to penetrate directly into the root system, helping disinfect, clean, and stimulate root recovery, creating better conditions for healthy growth. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Use a soft cotton pad dipped in the solution. Then gently wipe the leaf surfaces of the Anthurium. This helps remove dirt, fungi, and bacteria on the leaves while cleaning the surface, allowing better airflow. As a result, photosynthesis becomes more efficient, helping leaves become greener, shinier, healthier, and reducing yellowing or pests. The remaining solution will be poured into a plastic bottle and stored in the refrigerator. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. This way, you can store the onion and coffee solution for about 3 to 5 days. After about 15 minutes, once the plant has absorbed enough solution, I gently remove it. Then use a soft cloth to pat dry all roots and leaves, removing excess solution. This helps reduce moisture buildup, lowers the risk of fungal growth, and allows the plant to stabilize before planting. Next comes the most important step, planting. First, wear gloves to maintain hygiene and prevent bacteria from your hands from contacting roots and cut areas. Next, prepare clean soil as shown in the video, ensuring it is rich and well draining to support stable root growth. Prepare a pot with drainage holes at the bottom to ensure proper water drainage. First, spread a layer of soil at the bottom of the pot to create a stable base. Next, place the plant in the center, adjusting it so it stands upright and balanced, with roots evenly spread and not bent or compressed. Finally, add more soil to cover the roots and gently press to secure the plant, helping it stay stable and develop well after planting. Now, the planting process is complete. Place the plant in a dry, well-ventilated area and avoid direct sunlight. This helps reduce water loss, prevent heat shock, and allow the roots to adapt. After about 3 days, once the plant has stabilized, take the stored solution from the refrigerator, pour it into a watering can, and water the plant gently. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. This not only provides timely nutrients, supports root recovery, and stimulates stable growth after planting, but also saves time in daily care. Result: after about 2 months of using this solution, the plant showed clear improvements. The root system developed strongly, with many new white, healthy roots firmly attached to the medium, improving nutrient absorption. The leaves also improved significantly. Darker green, thicker, shinier, and less prone to yellowing or wilting. The plant grew steadily, evenly, and with stronger vitality. Especially, the plant began forming flower buds and developing strong flower spikes. More buds appeared, larger, rounder, and firmer. When blooming, the flowers had vibrant colors, thick petals, and longer-lasting blooms, making the pot stand out with full vitality. This is a well-deserved result of patience and proper care. When nurtured correctly, the plant will reward you with lasting vitality and elegant beauty. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss simple yet effective orchid care tips. See you again in the next videos on Great Garden.